What's up with the gypsies? Hello. All right, let's get this stream out. No, not Binance. Come on. There we go. All right. Oh, baby. Tweet this bitch out. Asado. Join me live now for the Tuesday edition of Shitcoins and Coffee. Crypto and Coffee. Brought to you by Crypto Critics. Crypto Critics. I will be taking your chart requests and charting the market. Coins on the list. GFY. Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, Litecoin. XLM, ADA, Ethereum, EOS, no, because it's probably still at resistance. I want to look at Icon, I want to look at WAN, I want to look at Aeon, I want to look at VeChain, I want to look at OST. Ethereum. Let me get the link here so that I know how much space I have left. I don't have a ton. Oh, whoops. Oh, maybe you guys will tell me. Okay, well then I guess we are doing EOS. Ash. God, wifey, come on. S&M, huh? Huh, Matthias? S&M? Yeah? You into that kind of type of stuff? Let me look at the coins here. We'll look at those. I'm not going to put them on the list. But we'll look at it. I promise. Bitcoin, what are you doing? Oh, Polly, what are you doing, baby? Polly? Let's look at Polly. Kind of looks like a little something might be going on. Let's look at... Goodness gracious. Gee willikers. maybe we should look at waves. Because I've been lining this trade setup, literally waiting for it for months. Months. For like, since December. I've been lining this trade up since December. You know how that feels? Do you know how that feels to wait for a trade for months? I have 2 letters left, so we should use one. I have 3 letters left, so we have to use a 2-letter cash tag, and I'm thinking go might be the one. Go. Go, chain. Ooh, damn. Yeah, we should take a look at go. Because I need to teach you guys something about this chart. Bang! Tweet it out. Oh, Miguel, you're so sweet. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Schmorning, babies. Come here. You. All right. There we go. All right. Get the coffee. Let's take our first sip of the morning. Crypto and coffee, guys. I'm waking up with you. I woke up, I let my dogs out. I made coffee. Put the dishes away. Yeah. Urinated. That's about all I did. Fed the dogs. And then I came right down here. And I decided that I wanted to spend my morning with you. Yeah, I got bedhead. Okay? But look. I'm busy. I got a million things to do. It wouldn't really be crypto and coffee if I was showering and putting a tux on before I sat down with you, would it? You guys are the first people I want to see in the morning. That's how you should take this. My bedhead. Miguel. Miguel, 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 Miguel. Miguel, Miguel. What's up, Cubs? Woo! Is it Cub on or Cub off today, Cubs? You tell me. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Valentin. See, it doesn't have an E at the end, so it's not Valentine. It's Valentin Degen. I take it. Koo, what's up, buddy? H. Assaddled. Hero. Good morning. Oh, I love my people. All right. Now watch this. I'm going to do something I should have done a long time ago, which is minimize my face so you guys can see the screen. I did it early today. We're not having fuck ups. We're still going to fuck up somehow. You know I'm going to fuck up somehow. Happens every time. Who's DMing me? Huh. All right. Let's go Bitcoin. It's the same shit we've been waiting for. Private groups got their shorts lined up. This looks okay. Kind of. What's the hourly look like? Okay, this looks like bullish consolidation. Holy shit. with a descending bullish volume profile to match. That looks like bullish consolidation. Support resistance flip. Right below the 236 of the move, though. And it doesn't really give us room to come down to the. It technically does, but it would lose this zone. I don't want to see it. Let's say fuck that. What does this do? This gives us a 0.5 within the support resistance flip. It just, these fucking, I hate drawing fibs. I know it's a big volume zone, but I hate drawing fibs based off that. That's not normal price action. I need to see the actual move. I know it's subjective. I know it is. All that tells me is there's liquidity down here. But there was a bigger wick down than there was at the top. So that's more selling pressure than buying pressure. Because it was able to push it that low, but wasn't able to push it up that high. Now you could say selling pressure took it down, buyers took it up. It's still effectively a doji, almost a topside doji, but which means the real body is closer to the top side than the bottom side. And I made that up, but that shit looks like some consolidation. We can't draw it to there because this was first. Hold up. I need to put this in the private group. Yo, this looks like potential bullish hourly consolidation on BTC. Consolidation. But it's right under the 236 of the move right now, so it's gotta get going. The overall organic price action doesn't look bad, though. Okay. I should probably put this in the fucking... All right. All right. And then after that, if we go to the day chart, this is all fucking noise. And I could draw this from here, and we're probably above the 236. We are, and I could draw this from here on a wider scale, and we're cruising. So, and it's trying to hold the overall 236 of the drop. Only thing I don't like is this. Is it going to hold? One can hope. Back below. The longer this stays up here, the less bearish I am. I will be honest with you, though. It's got to get going. But the longer it stays up here, it did it on a Monday. It's a resilient little fucker. How do you tell the difference between rejected by resistance and consolidating under resistance? Typically, like volume. No, I don't use OBV. Please explain volume before price. You want me to explain the volume of what's going on before I talk about the price of what's going on? Is that what you mean? Ask the carpenter Cubs how the wood's working today. How his wood is. Haha. It seems like resilient price action to me, man. I'm kind of shocked. Thought we'd get a little dumpy right now, but within this consolidation pattern, she's cooling. So do you guys understand why I would have drawn this pattern from here to here instead of from here to this wick? It's because this would have bounced and you would have drawn it first there anyway. And this was just a false break below on tiny ass volume. And then this respected this line also, which tells me this was a false breakdown. Again, it's subjective. It takes an eye, but we got the flagpole. We got the bullish setup. And so if I were to draw this bitch, it'd be like, bang, son. Do an equal measured move. Take us right past resistance. Well, right up to wick resistance. Right here on the 23rd of Feb, 4,200. What happens there determines the trend, but 3 knocks on the top. 3 knocks on the top. Shit, this would be like the... How many times have we knocked at the 4,200 level in this pattern? This doesn't count. We hadn't established a bottom yet. 1. This would be 2. 1, 2, almost 3. So 2.5, 3. This would be 4.5. With only 2 on the bottom. I'm not trying to get all bullish, but I didn't expect this bitch to be consolidating like it is. Watch for it to hold this trend line. Watch for it to hold this trend line. And then, like, if we want to play a little trend-based fib off this bitch and go, woo. The 1 off this move is the 382 off the drop. We're looking 44.50. It's almost exactly. And the more I fucking play them, 382s of drops are resistance levels. I see it all the time recently. I see it all the time. Usually you skip the 382 and go right to the 0.5 and 618 because if it's got enough volume and velocity to get through the 236, it's got enough to get to the 382. But not that this would be like a deathly thing. We might just pull back to 4,000 again or something. Well, you'd want to see 4,200 because that's like resistance. But yeah, we might go 4,450 to 40, maybe 4,500 on a wick. Go down to 4,200-ish. If we go bullish here. What are longs versus shorts looking like? All right, so there's only 500 more longs than shorts. We're at parity. So I'm short from 4K. I'm stopping out on a daily close over 40.15. And we'll see what happens. Why am I short from 4K? 236 is 39.86, and I thought we'd wick up. I could have gotten fucking short from 40.35, but I thought we'd wick up, which we did. But if I look at daily closes, we didn't close above the 236. So, daily close above 40.15, I'm out. I'm outie 5,000. I might need to move it up to 40.40 off these real bodies over here. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. Let's just play it. I don't really see this as a rising wedge. It could be a bear flag more than anything, but this isn't a long enough. This isn't a long enough flagpole for that, so it's not. There's no fucking way, and it's too vertical. This could be like a corrective ABC, but let's not talk about Elliott waves. All that is a lower high bear trap, guys. When I say a corrective ABC, it's just a lower high bear trap. Some fucking Elliott guy got really fancy and started talking about corrective ABCs, and just forgot that price couldn't follow through on the way back up the next time. What does you keep saying about how important price action and volume are compared to likes of RSI? Yeah, fuck RSI. You don't need RSI. You just need price action and volume. And fibs. That's all you need. You need key levels. You need support resistance. You need fibs. You need volume. And you need to know some candlesticks here and there. Know your patterns. That's about it. You don't need fucking RSI, dude. The more I use it, the more I kick it to the curb. You should not be listening to anybody that makes decisions based off RSI. It's a lagging indicator. It's self-defeating. It makes no sense. You don't make decisions off of RSI. The only time you make decisions off of RSI is when the 3-day is at like 12 or 88-ish, or the daily is at like 6 or 94. That's about it. And you're like, okay, well, it might be a good time to put some stink bids here. But you really shouldn't need that. It helps. It does help in a bear market when things are getting aggressive to the downside and you don't know where's bottom and you need a little hint. Okay? So daily RSI will help you. I've never seen a daily RSI in the single digits that didn't correct for some profits. Unless you're like BitConnect or something. It's like Black Swan event. So, I mean, other than that, all these indicators you guys are talking, like you guys know of and stuff, all these fancy indicators are based off of 3 things. Price. Okay, 2 things. Price / candle closes and volume. Why are there so many cup and handles patterns and alts recently? Which alts are you talking about so we can look at them? Cup and handle is a continuation pattern. It's also the most overstated pattern in crypto. You don't see a ton of them actually follow through. But let's take a fucking look at it, because if it's a cup and handle, it's a cup and handle. So let's look at it. I want to chase cup and handles. I like bullish patterns. So that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Look, man, fuck the price on Ethereum. I don't like this. Bitcoin's going to lead it. But if we just look right here, these are ETH USD longs on Bitfinex versus ETH USD shorts on Bitfinex. There are over 4 times more longs than shorts for Ethereum. For Ethereum. As a matter of fact, it's at an all-time high. inside of a monstrous rising wedge. I don't even need to draw that. You guys know what a rising wedge looks like. That's a fucking rising wedge. Look at the shorts. Oh, wow. So let's do something here. Let's compare. So first, we're going to turn this to ETH on Bitfinex. No, we don't need to do that. We can just do ETH overall. It doesn't matter. It's the same fucking thing. Same thing. And then we're going to do this. And we're going to turn this one to ETH shorts being this low. And we're going to see if there's any correlation with price changing to the downside when shorts are this low. All right. September 21st. September 21st. All right. Big dump afterwards. Shorts climbed. September 21st. Okay. To October 14th. To October 14th. September 21st. Price dumped to October 14th. Down here. And they peaked. And then they started closing and just taking profit. Price went back up to November 6th. Closing, taking profit. And here we are at the down here. November 6th. It was the peak-ish. And then we fell on November 13th. All right, let's find November 13th. Oh, shit. The last day. Yeah, shorts zoomed. And then November 28th. Okay. Profit taking, going sideways. Right here. Right here. Came back down, and then another boom to the upside, which is inverse. Looks like there's correlation, boys and girls. Let's look at April 6th, 15th was the last day. Let's look at April 15th of last year. Okay, I don't see a lot there. I see people shorting into this. But how often has shorts been this low? Like what happened on August 18th? Dump, lower high. Okay. Guys, I see some correlation. I don't see too much, obviously. It's definitely there. I mean, if you look at August 18th, okay. And then after that was down. It was just a lower high and then next level down. So, we should start getting careful with Ethereum. Because this is just too fucking low. This is too low. There's not enough shorts in the market. Market's imbalanced. It's very imbalanced. And the way that Ethereum is getting denied at the 236, number one, I think the alt market's starting to decouple itself from Ethereum. Is it permanent? I don't know. But all these alts are booming, and Ethereum hasn't done shit. Hi, baby. Let me see the belly. You want to show the camera your belly? You don't? She's pregnant. All right. So, yeah. Let's say fuck this for a minute. Let's go back to just Ethereum. Ethereum looks less bullish than Bitcoin. It's trapped under the 236 of the entire move. Bitcoin's above it. Bitcoin's right here. Ethereum's down here. Ethereum also has a little shitty pattern going on. Shitty city, okay? Something like, depends on how you want to draw it. I'll probably draw it from here like a bear flagish. It looks like shit. It looks like shit. I guess this would be your hope. A bullish breakout to the upside. I guess Bitcoin could pull it up. Bitcoin decides to go crazy to the upside. It doesn't matter what this chart says. This dollar value is going to go up. But I just know that the short versus long is very imbalanced, so I'm not fucking around with this bad boy. We just missed our shorts at 148. We missed it by $3. Pisses me off. Bitcoin wicked above this zone, but Ethereum's so damn weak it couldn't wick above this zone as much as Bitcoin did. Oh, dude, we'd be shitting in high cotton. 3x leverage on $12 of profit. Fucking $36 of profit for the same amount without leverage. For what would have been $12 of profit. It's pretty good. We didn't hit it though. It didn't happen. It didn't fill. But, I mean, let's look at the hourly on Ethereum. There's no fucking volume at all. Where Bitcoin has a big green dildo sticking out here, this doesn't. And within this consolidation pattern, it's got more bear than bull. It's not a ton, but here's the problem. Okay? Where Bitcoin is holding this support resistance zone right here, Ethereum has already lost it. Okay? And so if I were to fib this bitch, just to start the move, right at the 0.5, already lost it. If we're going to go from the previous move to this entire move up, you know, we still got some downside. And I'd be looking closer to 132 to 134-ish would be next on the hourly. It just looks like shit. It lost this zone right here, and then it came back, retested it, and couldn't close above. So it looks weak, man. It looks weak. Its hope is that Bitcoin goes ham-bone. Look at ETH BTC. But I'm noticing some very resilient alt charts, and they don't seem to give a shit about Ethereum. ETH BTC, bitch has got to bounce soon. Go to the 6 hour, right on that trend line, son. Bounce on the, like, we've already tested the 618. You don't want this to roll over and test it again because it's going lower. If we inverse this bitch, it'd be like a W bottom. It's an inverse chart. This needs to get going right fucking now. Right now. Or else I think 0.032 is definitely on the way. Just looks like it's rolling over. It can go right now, though. This little volume dildo is pretty nice. Nothing else since. It's got to get going. Let's go. Get on it, son. Ethereum's got to make a choice. It's got to make a choice. I don't think it looks promising. All right, let's go to Litecoin. All right. She's probably rolling over now. Probably taking a little break. Let's go to the 1-day 20 EMA. You want to see a hold 57.50 on a daily close? Just from a support and resistance zone. Just don't want to see it level down. The most volume is on Binance. From what we can look at. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Where's the bearish volume at, Bears? Where are you at, son? Still going, as far as I'm concerned. Ain't nothing to be alarmed about here, boy. Yeah, ain't nothing to be alarmed about right now. Can't wait to see the rising wedge memes on. Oh, but it's a rising wedge. I'm gonna draw it from here because it fits my bias. Bitch, that's a rocket ride. That ain't a rising wedge. You'll know the trend is probably waning when it's gonna break this bitch. But you got the 20 EMA trapped inside for the foreseeable future. And the 236 is at 5350. Not only that, but there's this little wick right here. Perfect. Yeah, or 5335 on Binance. Daily close. Okay? Not time to freak out yet. Bitcoin's got to make a decision, but it doesn't look terrible. Right, it touched. Hey, yeah. How long did I tell you, motherfuckers, this was going to 0.156? I drew this little line and said it looks like it wants to test this shit. You know, it's at resistance on the BTC chart, so the USD chart would have to lead it through troubled waters. But it's all bull volume right now. So, by all means, this bitch looks ready to party. A daily close below 0.0135? Maybe not. Maybe we wouldn't be partying anymore. But, at the time being, there ain't no reason not to be excited about the Litecoin. Now, am I taking new positions here? I am not. We already got our position. But I'm trying to ride this trend till the end because the trend is your friend until the end. Understand? Bart, hello, Gypsy. Do you love me, Bart? Okay, we got some fucking list to go through here. Goodness gracious. I'm not going through anybody's request until I have 150,000 likes on the video. How's that coffee, girl? Not good? Are you gonna drink it? Because if you don't want that coffee, you know I'm gonna drink some of that shit. That's right. She hates me. I think she literally hates me. Yeah, Bart. Hey, first off, we can't kick Bart out of here, okay? Because who would we make fun of? Yes, Gypsy. Gypsy. All right. Let's look at some of your cup and handles here. RVM forming a big old cup and handle. I love you, but I doubt it. Let's on what time frame actually? You're probably looking short time frame. Cause that ain't a. What are you fucking doing, RVN? There's no way it closes above this resistance. There's no fucking way it closes above 900 again on a daily close. There's no way. Oh, it closed above 809 again. Oh shit, the party might be on. Okay, there's no volume. Before you get a hard dick, there's no volume here. There's no bearish volume. But this bitch needs volume to push through this zone right here. It's at resistance horizontally. It's already cleared the 236. So it might need to handle with no bearish volume to pull some more liquidity from the market. Because with a handle, you typically want to look. All right, so let's fib this move. Let's assume this is the top of this move. You want to look about the 0.5 fib. You're looking at 50% of the move. So a whole and a half, right? A whole and a half. So you'd be looking for like, and from a support and resistance zone, this is perfect. You want this to come back down. You can fill some bids right above 750 and go on with your bad self, son. You know? The only problem is that you'd be retesting the 236 on the daily that you've already closed above. Or you haven't even closed above that. So don't get hard dick yet. But you'd be having to dip below 236 for liquidity. So maybe. But if you're going to play a cup and handle, here's your cup and handle. Unless this bitch wants to just go 6 to midnight. I can't buy this. I can't fucking believe this. Is this really alt season? This shit hasn't happened in fucking since March or April of last year. This kind of stuff hasn't happened. And it was not as crazy. No, this kind of shit actually hasn't happened since December of 2017. This hasn't happened. I haven't seen this in a long time. It's like a fat person with the wiener. Because like you look at its last move up, and it was just like this said fuck you to the 4-hour 20 EMA. Last time it didn't. It just wrote it and then died. I mean, right here it's saying fuck you, and then it just reclaims it and just goes on. This is all sorts of bullish shit right here. Just need volume. Just need volume. We need it. We need it. It's got to get going. It's got to do what it's got to do, work what it's got to work, and get going. A daily close above 900 sats, maybe I take a little position. Little tiny position. Maybe. Good eye. Theta and XLM. What's Theta doing? I haven't looked at Theta in forever. Guys, the reason we spend so much time on Bitcoin and ETH to start is because those are your leading market indicators. So you don't want to play the market if they look like fucking trash together. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be in the market taking alt positions that you can't short on Binance. All right, so Theta looks like garbage. Theta's done. This is done. This has gone too far down. You might get a head and shoulders back up to 3980, 3900-ish. This move was fucking crazy. This has gone too far. This is coming back down, and I'd probably look for the next bounce spot right around 26 to 2700 sats. Okay. This has gone too far. It's come back down and gone too far. Unless today's daily candle closes above $3,300. I don't want to see it lose this bottom of this bar on a daily close. Then that is truly too far. But if we can get turn this bitch into a green one, get up about 3,400, might be boom boom. It's not so after today. It hasn't been a ton of volume on the drop, but there's a support and resistance that I think probably needs tapped here. right around 26 to 2700. I would definitely buy some there. Unless Bitcoin dies. Lumens. We're looking for discounts, guys. Can't always find a discount everywhere you shop, so you got to shop at the right places. So what's going on with fucking Stellar? It's, god damn it, fucking bullshit. I took a trade on this at 2200. I closed it, and then they announced a bunch of news about 6 banks and shit like that. Can't fucking win. It's at resistance. So like, boom, something like that. It's at resistance. Support resistance flip. Up next is going to be 3300. Volume looks good. I need tissues. Do we have tissues? You can leave that open. Love you. Hey, have a fantastic day. I'll see you this evening. What time do you work tomorrow? You don't know what time you work tomorrow? We have something in common. Okay. Love you. Hold up one second. I'm going to go off camera so I can blow my nose. Hi, puppy dogs. Look what the cat dragged in. It dragged in a Geordie. Say hi to everyone. Say hello to your friends. Say hi to them. I say hi to them. Say hi to them. Geordie, are you a good boy? Are you a poopy butt? You are. You're a baby. You're a baby. Say hi to your friends. You guys like his little Mickey Mouse bandana? It's Mickey Mouse the Pirate. Yes, it is. Yeah, Mickey Mouse the Pirate. What? You don't like sitting up here, honey. Ooh. What? You so sweet. What's your favorite coin? Everybody knows Jordy's favorite coin. It's Doge. Him has a lot of Doge. I love you. I love you. I love you. Alright, come on. I'll let you down. I'll quit bothering you. Get your paw out of my fucking headphones. Come on. Oh. Go bite someone. Go bite someone. Alright. Yes. Whoa. I apologize for nothing. Alright, so yeah, it's at resistance. Let's just take a chill pill on Stellar. If you buy at resistance, this probably isn't the stream for you. If you don't mind buying at resistance, it's just not something I do. We let the high volume runs happen, and then we buy the pullbacks down to like the 618s, support resistance flips. It's typically very high probability, and it very much minimizes your losses. All short 236s. I got my trading system. I'm a fucking old, I'm an old hag who knows what he wants, you know? So, all right, what's on the list? Mike Sean. Oh, God, somebody's talking shit. No. 6 replies. Why can't I see them? It says 6 replies, but I don't see any of the replies. How's that possible? Uh-huh. It says 6 replies. Can you guys... That can't be right. Let me check my phone. I'm a cotton-headed nitty-muggins. Yeah, dude. Nothing. It's a bunch of horse shit. 6 replies my arse. Okay, so let's look at Ada. The chat's been too live today, you know? I've gotten off topic. Oh, baby. This is an inverse head and shoulders. I broke out. Now, this was a potential falling wedge, bear flag, or bull flag thing. All right, we're good here. We can delete this. We can delete this. We can delete this. We can, above the 236. Let's look at Binance. It's got everything we need to be successful in life. Big volume breakout. Let's look at the hourly. This is bullish as fuck. Take a position. Stop out below 1230 on a four-hour candle close. Let's do it. Why isn't this button working? Is that chart not working? All right, so my charts aren't working right now. Okay, my charts aren't. My chart sharing button on TradingView isn't working. Sorry. But I can tell you what I can do. Yeah, like it's not. Bitch, what is wrong with you? Who the fuck is you think you be? All right. That's cool. I got this. What's up? All right. Okay, so this ADA chart looks okay for a long. Stop will be below 1230 on a 4-hour candle close. Let's see where she goes. I will be taking profits on the way up. I still got the screenshot. You can't stop me. Still got screenshots though. It's a great time for a GIF. That's not it. No. All right. Where's their gifts at? I'll search. Good thinking. I'm looking for that black guy that goes like this. How about we just do smart? Yeah, there he is. What's up, bitch? All right. Gonna do this. Come back, grab this text. Bang. All right. There's a trade. What's up? Excuse that burp right there. How rude of me. How rude. All right, we're getting stuff done, guys. Ada looks all right. Oh, it's above its own 236. It's got everything it needs to go. It's got the volume. Let's see it, bitch. Don't fail me. Feet don't fail me now. So you'd be looking at an equal measure move. 1300-ish. 1330. Looks good. This chart's fucking looking good. My only issue. Oh, okay. It does have declining volume. This was a bigger volume push. Okay, now I don't have an issue. We all right. Uh-huh. Everybody's good. Everybody eats today, guys. Whatever that means. Looks solid, dude. This is a great looking chart. Looks good. We might get stopped out. It's not we're not gonna lose anything. We'll lose barely nothing. But we'll do it together as friends. All right, let's look at icon. Oh, oh, so nice. The 382. No, that's more of a daily 20 EMA play. Sally Belly. Now continue on. Because this support resistance hasn't been tapped yet. It's 7580. 7600. So if it doesn't go now, that's the next spot, and I would be buying between 7500 to 7650. Heavier bids lower, obviously. We know this. We talk about this all the time. The spot I'd really actually be buying. The only problem is we'd lose this, but I do like this play off the golden pocket. It's like 7K. 67 to 7K. It's a good spot too. Build a position. Build a motherfucking position. Heavier bids lower. You'll get a bounce. In my opinion. In my professional opinion. Alright, Bitcoin, are you losing your marbles or what? We losing it? What's the 15-minute volume say? Not a ton. Not a ton. Still in play. Only thing is we had 3 knocks at the bottom first. No bueno. Still looks okay. For now, still looks okay. Let's look at Aeon. $320, guys. $320. $317 to $320. Even as low as $315 right here. Go out to the 6 hour. Support resistance flip right here. Right here. Right now. All of us. Same thing as Icon. 333. More of them towards 315 to 319. 320. You under? You under. Perfect. You under means do you understand? You understand? You under. Cool. First target back to 333. You would have a much lower average position size. And then 347. Take initial position out. Let the rest ride. You got a free bag of Aeon. Bang. Building our portfolio. Free coins. Free coins, baby, for the bull run. That may or may not ever happen. Yeah, waves didn't fill yet. Okay, I'll just do waves right now. 60K. Cool. What's on the list? We'll get to Nano for show. Wan Chain. Wankane. We don't call it Wan Chain. It's Wankane. It's quite obviously Wankane. If you look at it. W-A-N-C is wank, and H-A-I-N is Hane. Wankane. Now this, little aggressive. God damn, it looks like Zill. That shit. Right there. I'm still waiting on Zill. 400-ish. All right. Yikes. Damn, that support resistance line is the exact 618. 950? 9500? That's a little too aggressive for me, though. I'd probably sit this one out. I'm cool. No thanks. Go on, do your own thing. It'll probably come back up, but I'm cool. I don't like you. You're hot, but you're clearly a crazy bitch. And because of that, and for that reason, I'm out. All right, V-Chain coming back down, trying the damn thing. 126 to 122, or 115 to 116 should be safe. It shouldn't come back that low. And if it does, you don't want to be in it anyway. And we took profits at 139. We took some more profits yesterday or the day before at 130. If we get stopped out in the rest, we get stopped out in the rest. It was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. I can't remember the last time I got my ass handed to me in a trade. It's been a little while. Life's good. That's what this really patient, find your support resistances and make sure they match up with like the golden pocket. Put some stink bids at the 0.5. I'll put most of them at the golden pocket, which is the 618 and 65. After a high volume run up, you really don't have a ton of risk. You're going to get price action around that zone anyway. You'll get a million chances to get out before any. It's fucking great. It's great. It's like the greatest trading system ever. I don't need a bunch of indicators. I just look at volume. I look at some price action. I draw some fibs. I draw some support resistances. I keep it primitive. We catch some moves. We don't get our ass handed to us. I mean, what else do you fucking want? What else could you want? All right. Yeah, so we're looking, might get a wick down to like 125 before a bounce. Tough. I probably won't buy anything, guys. Here, I probably won't buy anymore. Okay? I'm not digging it. To buy more, I don't see it. I mean, maybe 125. You'll get some action around there, but we already have a position at 116. Why would we need to buy anymore? 115 to 116. Why would we need to buy anymore? We don't. We're shitting in high cotton. We're fine. Or this trade's paid for itself already, so move along. Whatever happens from here happens. It's a free position. OST. Ost. If I can be as annoying as possible. which as the youngest of 7 children, guys, I am quite often looking to be. What's up? What's up, Prancy? I love you. What do you find? The mailman isn't here yet. Who you gonna bark at? You gotta protect the front door, do you understand? You must protecteth this house. If you're so fucking cute. Love ya. There's nothing better than a dog. Ain't fucking nothing better than a dog. Fucking ain't nothing better than a dog. Yeah, but where could I get in? I guess you just get in here. Ish. 660. Doesn't seem to give a shit about the daily 20M, man. What about the 3-day? Maybe like 630. 630. I don't think it's ready yet. You got all day, all the time in the world to maybe try to get some down near the 500s. It's above, but it has been before, and then I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You're probably safe buying some. I just say wait. We'll keep looking at it. EOS. $93, so it was getting denied off of resistance. Still above the 236 of the move. Daily close below 93. I'd be out. If it can't confirm this close above, you're about to turn 6 years old. Him going to turn 6. Him old man, him getting gray beard. Now look at me. I need at least 9 more years out of you. So, eat your vitamins. Yeah, not buying here. You could short here. Definitely short here. Stop on a daily close above 96. That's the play on EOS here. Short this bitch. And if I'd put a hard stop above 97 and a stop on a daily close above 96. And above 97 would be a 4-hour candle close. This doesn't look bullish to me. This looks neutral. But the risk reward with right at resistance would be to short it. So I'd rather short it than long it. And I think there's a valid short set up here. I mean, let's look at the hourly again. Yeah. Really, on a 4-hour close above 96, 150, I'd probably be out. I don't think he reclaims it. Is that the 0.5? This is 618. Yeah, dude, anything over that. Nah, you should be safe. I fucking short that shit. See what happens. Let's look at the EOS USD chart before we do anything, though. It's a bull flag. All right. USD chart is going to lead the Bitcoin chart. Just know where you're wrong. Not a lot of volume. That's an hourly bull flag, if I've ever seen one. Do I need to draw the borders? That's an hourly bull flag. It can't go much deeper, though. It's about played out. It should actually probably go to the other side here, the US dollar. Oops, pretty fucking good. Fucking delicious. Little long. Little long. I'm still short the BTC pair. Just because I'm an asshole. If... I don't know, man. Conflicted. The USD chart has me all sorts of conflicted. Maybe, okay. With a daily close above 93K, again, and below the daily 20 EMA, a daily close, I'd probably enter a short with a stop above 96,150 on a daily close. You understand? That's how I'd short this bitch. Let it sort out the details. No need to front run details there. All right. So that'd be with a daily close below 93 and the 20 EMA, because it could go sideways. 20 EMA could pull above. Looking at the 236. Daily close. Yeah. Below 93 and the daily 20 EMA, I'd probably start shorting with a stop below 96. We'll call it 96.2 on a daily close. Definitely out above 100K, like no questions asked. No fucking questions asked. On a swing trade like this, you do not get the ability to use high leverage. It's not an in and out play. It's the uptrend is over play. And I'm neutral on this. I'm bullish on this, but I'm neutral on this. But it's at the 236 and it's above the daily 20 EMA, so we can't call this bearish. And the EOS USD chart looks fucking delicious. So we don't have to enter a short yet. It can tell us what it's going to do. Love Noah. I'm glad we talked that one through. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Polly? Want a cracker? I think she does. Uh-huh. Is this the only poly chart I have? Fuck it. Alright, RVN. Go home, you're drunk. Alright, guys, I think RVN wants to fucking melt faces. I don't know. Yep. I think Paulie wants to bounce here, guys. Yep. I'm an idiot. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna pull up in a Bentley with a couple $100,000 in my pocket. Are you all Post Malone fans? Austin Post? I need to see Binance. It's on here somewhere. Bitch, where you at? There you are. You joker. You jokester. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. No volume on this fucking fall off. Right here, support resistance flip. Let's get it. Oh, capitulation wick right there. Uh-huh. Yeah. Double bottom. Big bullish spike. This is where you buy it. Buying Pauly below 25.50 on Binance. I am buying it under 25.10 myself. Now, excuse me while I buy some Pauly. I'm gonna put that blanks blank in a motherfucking body bag. All right. Polymath. A polymath. Buy. 47,000. Am I going to clear the order book if I do that? Do I have any BNB? Did you quit it? No. Where's the order depth? So I need to see the order book. Sell orders. Okay. All right. I'm going to clear this fucking order book here. I'm going to bite into that 25.23 wall. It's got 51.727. I'll bite into a little bit of it. I'm going to use 1.2 BTC on this one. So we'll buy 47,900. Nothing moved. Did I not bite into any of it? Was there a hidden buy wall? Can you do hidden buy walls on Binance? I don't fuck with that shit. I buy what I want when I want. I don't look at order books. I don't see it look at buying to anything. Oh, I put the order up. I didn't mark it. Fuck that. No, cancel that shit, son. Cancel. Who do you think I be? Jesus. We're gonna go to market. We're gonna market buy. Bang! 47,700. Okay. 500. All right. There we go. And that took us to... All right. There we go. Cool. That was me. Love you, Bart. Oh, Bart, hold up. You want to know if Neo's still alive? Oh, that's a 5-minute. Yeah, Neo's still alive. It's chilling. It's under resistance, but as long as it's above, 22K, we good. So, bye, Bart. Love you, baby. All right, let's look at waves. Okay, 60K. That's where I'm buying it. Excuse me, I'm being rude. I burped on stream. What an asshole. Go chain. I'm gonna pull up in a Bentley with a couple $100,000 in my pocket. Above the 236. Support resistance flip right here. This could be a buy spot. I just don't like this volume. This volume says no. This volume says stop looking at Go chain. That's what this volume says. Looks like Juan before it dumped. This, no likey. Daddy, no likey. And then the follow through higher on less volume. That's all you need to see. Target, 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 target. Target. I knew I was going to get a target. What's the target? What's your target? You got a target? Anybody got a target? Do you have a target? Anybody got a target? 31.7 is first target. 31K is first target. 3,100 is 1T. Stop below 0. Just kidding. I'll let you know if we stop out. All right. Loom. Hello, mate. Want to take a look at Loom? Oh, baby. Right under resistance, though. Yeah. I'd rather get it closer to 14K. Okay? 14K. Doge. Looks about the same. Yeah, it's probably going to bounce. Yeah, I think it's going to bounce, says Eeyore. Have you guys seen the Christopher Robin movie on Netflix, the Winnie the Pooh movie? Oh, it's great. I fucking love Winnie the Pooh. Yeah, it's probably going to bounce. Just my luck. That actually kind of sounds like Eeyore. Boom, roasted. It's up from down under. Can't tell if real accent or not. What? What accent? James, what's up, bud? What accent is you be talking about, son? I talk like a moron half the time on purpose because I have nothing better to do with my pathetic time. BTS. Then make myself look like a complete jackass. It's about all I'm good at in life. Yeah, that's not a cup and handle on BTS because it's a continuation pattern, not a reversal pattern. And this is a reversal. It's a rounded bottom. But, I mean, buying this shit at fucking 1240, stopping out below 1200 probably, and just seeing what happens might not be a bad idea. PHX and S&M. I told you, Matthias, that we would look at PHX and S&M. The fuck kind of name is Red Pulse Phoenix? Yeah, well, here you go. It should bounce here. Have fun. Definitely stop out below 280. Stop out below 280 because this bitch is headed to at least 255. But it should bounce here, guys. This might go fucking boom boom here. So enjoy that. S&M. All right. You could buy it again at 580. But I'm more inclined to buy it near 500 like everybody else has. Now we got a big dildo here, but it was completely sold into. Like if I were to zoom in, on the hourly. It's a lot of volume for bear, but it's not as much as I was thinking. But this is rolling over. I just try to grab it as close to 500 as I could, or I wouldn't grab it at all. Because then you have to have a good stop. And if you grab it at 510, you can stop out comfortably under 580 without getting your complete ass handed to you. Otherwise, if this finds a new bottom and you buy it right here, I don't know, baby. Nano. This should be a support resistance flip near 24K. Near 24K. You could try it again. Because this is the setup it needs to just go. But it needs to get going. You're completely wrong under 22K. Completely wrong. It allows you to lose 10%. So try 24.2 down to 2400. See what happens. Under 22K on a daily close, you're fucking you're out. You understand? You're out under 22K on a daily close. Don't have the conversation with me. You forgot to stop out. MFT, what are you doing? I can tell you where the 618 is. 88 to 90. That's the resistance. 90. I see shit. I see non-existent fibs. Okay? I see non-existent fibs. I've been doing this long enough. Fuckers. Yeah, 90 should be next. Alright. Everybody have a good day. Like the video. Subscribe. Join the Crypto Critics Discord. Follow me on Twitter. Join my free Telegram in the description. Go on Twitter. Call me a pleb. Tell me you're going to beat my ass with a wooden spatula, so I know that it's out of love. And I love you. I'll see you on Thursday. Love you!